Bananas. Bananas. Bananas, 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 bananas. What a crazy day we had. What a crazy day we had yesterday. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining. I'm bye my everybody. 10 seconds. We got news coming in about 10 or 30 minutes. Jolt's job opening. Hopefully, it'll jolt the market. Let's see what our volatility is today. I'm feeling it's gonna be volatile. You know what I mean, Pandas? I feel like this is gonna be volatile today. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see. We got a double top here with a reversal setup. Halfway through. Big bull bars. Triggers. Reverses on a dime. Destroys me. Gonna blast up. I mean, we got a double top. I thought we could have potential push down here. The second entry short, actually, a good signal bar is what does it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It was the second entry short that actually drops it down. All right, fair enough. It's it's printing really fast. I was not ready for that. I was wondering if it was going to go up, but I was not ready for that bar to finish in like 10 seconds. Now we're pushing down, Pandas, with a double top. With the second entry short. Jeez Louise, I missed it by like, oh. It is what it is. You know how it is, Pandas. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Big push down, perhaps. Big push up, perhaps. Another second short forming here. First entries, maybe only. It's a good signal bar for a first entry. Maybe make a new low here. New low created with the first entry. Okay. Fair enough. I'm not sure. 240 SMA bounce here. Bouncing off this previous resistance. Decent push up here. Let's see. Am I still looking to go short is the question. Maybe if we stay within the channel. Maybe if we stay within the channel here. I don't know. I could try here. It's a bad signal bar though. Such an ugly signal bar. We'll try. Coming off our trend line, that's the main reason, and 20 EMA. That's the main reason why I decided to take this trade. But we are bouncing off the 240 SMA, bouncing off the previous day. Oh, wow. That's 0-2 right now, Pandas. 0-2. Is the second edge short the one that's going to work out in our favor here? Shall we try with 2? Oh, wow. It does trigger. Couldn't get in. Hard time. Could have got in there too.
2,500 tick trap.
Not too sad I missed it. It is, if it does bounce off the 20 EMA here, I'll try to push down here. We'll see. Okay. Okay, big push up. Don't mind missing that then. Right, the second short does trigger, but this time instead of working out like it did here, pushes back up, takes you out, takes your stop loss out perfectly. Let's see, I don't know. Come back into our trading range or to fail second entry long on the 2,500 tick chart is the question. It is the question. Okay. Breakout retest.
2,500 tick trap.
Triple top? I could try this, but I don't know. Yeah, this doesn't look good. This doesn't look good for a new low. It doesn't look good for new low. No sirree. No sir diddly do Bobby. Nope. Just take the hit here. Jeez Louise. Can I be any worse at reading price action today? Golly. All right, lower high. Just letting it go. I'm not gonna double up here. It's gonna let this play out. Could have came up break even there, I guess. Holding? Ah. Wowzers. All right. I mean, it is what it is. We're getting absolutely destroyed here. The fail second entry long fails on the 2500 tick chart. Technically, I'm 0-3 and I should stop trading. Technically, I'm 0-3 and I should stop trading. I'm now 900. It's actually not too bad if I stop trading here. It got very, very sus. I mean, you got news at 10. It's the first 5 minutes. I already took 3 trades. It's so sick. I went with trend here. Or not with trend, expecting this big push down, but it kind of took me out. Then it made the big push down. Went short here, took me out, and then kind of went sideways for a while. The 2500 tick chart absolutely diabolical, right? Because we have the fail second entry long. It reverses and stops you out on the same candle and then pushes back down. That's diabolical, in my opinion. Ah, man, pandas. Let's let the market cool down a little bit. I'm not a 900. 0-3. Typically, I stop here thinking that this market is not as clean as I thought it was going to be. I thought we were going to get some good volatility. I mean, our ATR is huge. So I really thought we had a good chance to make some moves. But apparently not. Pandas. Let me say good morning to a couple of you guys. Kevin Mack, good morning. Donald Smith, good morning. Stone Cold, good morning. Road to a million. We'll get there, Pandas. Don't worry. H2O, good morning. Blue Steel, good morning. V1, good morning. Luis, good morning. Kevin Mack, good morning. Pablo. All right, we got the 240 SMA kind of giving us support here. You can see it bouncing off multiple times. Can it hold up the third time is the question. 1, 2, 3 hits now. Let's see. Usually the third time it does not last. It is breaking through it, making you a strong bear bar ending on its low. Okay. Not sure what it's trying to do here. New low created. Feels like entry long, but I'm not sure. Lots of trading range price action right now. Could find reversals very easily here. Feels like entry long. This could be a nice push down. I usually skip this because the new low is already created. I don't know. Do we look for a bounce here? Oh, okay. Cool. A little bit of follow through now on the strong bear bar on 2500 tick. Still lots of trading range price action in my opinion, but it is going to the downside. The legs are not as clean as I would like. Okay. Weird. It's weird. Weird. Lots of back and forth. We do have news at 10, Pandas, and maybe it's going to wait till news. Donald Smith dropping the future here. I have a good analysis for today. It could go up, down, or sideways. Whoa. All right. Watch him still be wrong somehow. Watch him still. I mean, when you think you're right, you're usually wrong. Coming off the previous week's low here. I know we're stuck between two gaps here. I mean, we're closer. 5 minutes closer to filling this gap, the weekly gap, than the daily gap. So I thought maybe I had a chance to maybe come back up here, fill this gap before pushing back down. So I got just short here. Above the 20 MA though. Lower highs, lower lows being created. But strong bull bar right ending on its high. Strong bull bar ending on its high again. Now getting above our trend line. Typically prime place to look for a failed second entry short. Typically prime place to look for a failed second entry short if we can get it. It might not give it to us. It might be one of those you have to get in. Just jump in here. You know what I mean? This looks really nice. I don't know. I'm gonna crank it a little bit here. This looks really good. It looks really good to me. Now we're actually coming off the 20 MA here. I don't like the dojis though. I don't like the overlapping bars. 1, 2, 3. I don't like the overlapping bars. That's for sure. I don't like the fact we're coming back into this channel here. If this is a bull bar, I'm going to try. The risk is not too large either.
2,500 tick trap.
Ah, that looks so ugly. It does trigger, but it looks so ugly with that bear bar like that. I still like the area though. I still like the area to go long. Ooh! Psych! I tricked everybody. I tricked everybody thinking I'm going to go long there. What in the world? Alright. Forget everything. Don't do everything opposite of what I'm saying today. Jeez. It's absolutely diabolical right now. Still trading range price action in my opinion. What in the world is this nonsense? So sick. So sick. Double bottom, higher low, double bottom here, perhaps. It's a strong push back up. It's just kind of concerning to go short here. But it's coming off our trend line and 20 MA. Okay. It's coming for trend line and 20 MA, so I thought perhaps we're going to push down again. It's an outside bar reversal here. Very confusing. Very disgusting here. I'm just going to let this play out. I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen. If I had to make a guess, I think it's going down because we're making lower highs, lower lows. And we're still within our channel. Strong bear bar, anything else low. Even more reason to go short. The market's going to surprise us here, maybe. It's going back and forth, back and forth. I mean, this is trading range price action. Sit on your pause, pandas. Get ready for a wild ride. I mean, we have news at 10. This is wild. Nothing good, nothing clear. But it looks bearish. So for me, I'm like, I want to go short because it looks bearish. But along the way down, it's just going crazy. It's going crazy. Second just short here, but it's breaking above our trend line and 20 MA now. This is quite nonsensical in my opinion. I still like this area here. Still like this area here. Still like this area. I'll try. Thoughts and prayers. I'm gonna get a little room to cook. Even if it breaks the low here, I want a little room to cook. I like this area. I like the fact we 1, 2, 3 bounces off this support here. We got a triple bottom here. And I like this area to reverse. It's actually not too shabby, if you ask me. But I don't like my first bar. It's very weak. Usually it breaks out quickly if it's a good area, right? That's kind of how you know you actually enter a good trap. Because it usually moves very quickly. It's kind of going back and forth, back and forth. Now it has a deep drop down to the 20 EMA. Like I said, I'm going to let this cook a little bit.
5
I'm
minute
going to get a little
trap.
some room to cook. Okay. Maybe I too much room to cook here. Sean Bear Bar, I'm probably out. Sean Bear Bar, I'm out. Or if it breaks the high, then it breaks the high. Then we're in. Okay. Sean Bear Bar it is. Oh, that is so confusing. Alright, we break the high. Alright, we'll hold. Let's see. Let's see what the future beholds. Decent push up. Really decent push up here. Sean Bull Bar ending on its high. Let's see if we get a little bit of follow through on that. Absolutely no follow through. Just gets folded. Jeez. Yeah.
2,500 tick trap.
I mean, when you have a strong bull bar like this, you gotta see follow through. You gotta see it through to see if it has any follow through or not. And I gotta try. I gotta see if it has follow through, and it doesn't. I just can't take out break even right there. I gotta let it cook a little bit. This is probably cooking way too much now. I don't know. Maybe I can get out break even if I can, but yeah, I'll probably get crushed here. Yeah, I'm dead. I could skunk it for a little less loss, but I'll just take the hit. Just take the hit here. I tried. I mean, strong bull bar ending on its high. I'm thinking, it's gonna maybe have some follow through there, but instead, it just does this. That's super frustrating. I mean, like when you see this, for me, I'm like, I gotta let it cook. Like this has all the makings of a big reversal here. Triple bottom here, 3 hits on the support. Get a nice reversal setup. And you get a reversal setup here that fails, and you get a second attempt on the reversal setup, and it looks good.
2,500
Like,
tick trap.
it's just not much I can do. I gotta let it cook right there, Pandas. And it's unfortunate it just doesn't work. And we're with a big loss today already. Just starting with a big loss. I mean, maybe I should have considered the fact that we had literally the most disgusting price action ever. Like, when you see this is like disgusting price action. Maybe I should consider that and just scalped. Buy low, sell high, scalp. We're actually pushing up after, like, kind of takes me out. Maybe I should use this pivot low as my stop loss, but I don't know. It was just a little too much risk for me. Just wild price action right now. I mean, news at 10. So, unfortunate, Pandas. Like, the breakouts are less than the pullbacks, right? Here's a big pullback. The breakout is less than the pullback here, so it is what it is. It's super, super trading range. I got to get rid of this. This is actually confusing me. It's more like this. Pure trading range price action right now. And I'll say this is a pretty definitive spot where people have limit orders. This is what it looks like, the trading range. I was trading a breakout in a trading range. I mean, it looked like a good spot. It was hard to tell in a trading range here. Thought perhaps there was a bigger trading range forming. Get to the top. Getting to the top of the trading range, back to the bottom trading range. Big push to the downside. Unsure what's happening here. Maybe it's just loading up to go short, to go further down. I could be a little cheeky here and just play this trading range. I could try, but it's probably the timing's off here now. The timing's probably off. It's probably going to push down very hard now. I'll let it cook a little bit here. The timing's probably off. Just give me like a little scalp, Give me a little scalperoo. Give me 10 points here.
Target.
Okay, I'll take a win here. It's been a while. Let me just be on the right side of a trade for once. I don't know what that's all about, but it is what it is. Just be on the right side of a trade for once. Just being a little cheeky. Recognizing the strong trading range. Buying low, trying to sell high, just scalp, right? Buy low, sell high, scalp. It's Al Brooks' methodology in these trading ranges. I could try the
2,500
same
tick
thing
trap.
here. I could try the same thing here. At a certain point in time, you're going to be wrong. I could try the same thing here. But the bull move is so strong, it's really scaring me just to go short here.
2,500 tick
Look how
trap.
strong this bull move is. I mean, I might as well wait for a reversal at least. Look how strong this bull move is. It's so sick. But it is right in the middle of a trading range. Or it is in a trading range. It's traversing this trading range back and forth. Buy low, sell high until you're wrong. I should have just gone short here. I should have just gone short for a 10-point scalp. Maybe. Maybe for a second entry. At least a second entry here. Okay. 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 Silly trade. Probably in an uptrend now. But same philosophy. Buy low, sell high. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna take the trap here. This move was so strong up. Now this is strong follow through. At this point, I think you might. I don't know. I don't know. Should I go long? Bub Stocks, good morning. Jamil, good morning. Yep, I hate this movement too. Baby Panda is not happy. I'll just say that right now. Baby Panda is not happy. Big push up, yeah. There's no way to enter this though, unfortunately. I guess I could have just held this. I could have held this trade. I just wanted a small scalp so I could remember what it feels like to win, you know what I mean? Oh, Baby Panda's not having it right now. Alright, I gotta try now. I gotta just jump in long. I think I'm just jumping long here, even if it doesn't trigger my trap. I'm just gonna try. I think you just gotta buy here. It's just one contract, Pandas. Don't worry. It's just one contract. Don't worry about it. If it creates a trap, I'm jumping 2 contracts. Alright. Fair enough. The only reason I'm doing this is because we're way outside of our trading range. Oh, a deep pullback. I don't know if I want to do this anymore. I don't know if I want to do this anymore, but thoughts and prayers. At least we touched the 20 MA now, right? Breakout retest. Breakout retest. Oh, terrible signal bar though, and it's a big signal bar. Breakout retest. Lots of bear bars doing that though. That's not good. I mean, give me some sort of bullishness here, then I'll consider it. But small risk might be worth. If it's a small risk here, it's too ugly. Forget it. Could not do it. We could not try to fill the gap, the weekly gap on the 5-minute chart, right? The 5-minute chart, the regular trading hours, has a big gap here. And I thought we would try to make our way up to it, but we did not. We still have about 6 minutes until news. Jeez Louise, this is frustrating. 2500 tick chart, right? It's just gets folded here. Big pullback. This is definitely not a swing day trade. You gotta just scalp everything here, in my opinion. It's not a swing day trade, in my opinion. This is a scalping day. Making my way back down here in this trading range. To me, this is a failed breakout. Okay. Surprisingly strong push back up. The 2500 tick chart literally is just folding every bar. Right? Strong bull move, folds. Strong bear bar, folds. Strong bear bar, folds. Strong bear bar gets folded. Huh. I don't know, pandas. Hard to say. Not sure what's going to happen here. Okay, low or high. Good signal bar to go low. Feels like entry long. Probably a good setup here, too. But we're not going to get it. It's going to make it. It's going to race to the downside. Yeah, the lower high. It's kind of what I was looking for. And just scalp it. We're coming back into trading is a failed breakout. So I was thinking it was going to happen. But thinking that was going to happen and trading like it's going to happen are two different things, pandas. What can I say? What can I say about that? Everybody knows thinking about something does not matter when it comes to trading. It's actually where you put your money. All that matters is where you actually put your money. Crazy, 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 crazy. Technically, we're at the bottom of the trading range. Undershoot leading to a big overshoot, and that fails. Comes right back down to the bottom of the trading range. The 5-minute just shows trading range indicator, just pure trading range. It's creating itself a nice second entry long, though, to launch to the upside here. This is tough. This is really tough for me. I'm not sure. Fails second entry long. How far down does this go? I'm very curious. How far down does this go? I'm quite curious here. Okay, it pushes down pretty hard to the bottom of the trading range. I'm gonna wait for news, pandas. I gotta wait for news here. Wait for news. Jolt's job openings. I'm not sure how much that's really gonna move the market, but it is news, pandas. Oh, not sure. This looks bearish. Looks bearish, but we're in a trading range. It's hard to tell what's going to happen here. Jolt's job opening. Can we jolt to the upside? It doesn't look like so. Looks like we're going to push down here. News just dropped, and it just did complete choppiness here. No surprise, really. No surprise, really, right? Can we get a little bit higher? Back to the top of the trading range? Are we still respecting this trading range?
Target filled.
Okay, I'll take it. It's another like.
Target filled.
Okay, pandas. I mean, trading range is what saved us. I mean, we ended up getting almost 10 points here. I mean, we're kind of just building our way back up here. Just taking advantage of this trading range now. Full blown. News is done. So maybe the market's going to make a decision where it's going to go. Feels like I just short here. I'm gonna try to go long here. Feels like I just short. Now that the news is done. Strong bull bar might just have to jump in here now. Just for kicks and giggles, may have to just jump in here. May just have to jump in here. I hate the fact I'm even thinking about it. There it is. All right. Thoughts and prayers, pandas. I'm going to need it. Thoughts and prayers here. We're hoping for a solid push to the upside. Exactly opposite of what is happening right now. We don't want this to happen right now. We want a solid push to the upside here. If we can get anything of semblance of a push up. Okay, strong bull bar. Ending near its high. No follow through right now. We're hoping that news is going to bring the volatility and we need it to actually push this to where we need it to go. What's my stop loss? I don't know. When do I say this is done? Here? Absolutely done here. No follow through again. Gets absolutely crushed. Brooks says the market typically moves strongly in the trading range, making you erroneously think and hope it's going to break out. And this is the hope that I have of it breaking out here. Hope is a dangerous strategy. Another break to the upside, a break of a previous candle's high is good news for me, but I'm not sure if we're going to get it. It might just get folded here. Yeah, looks like it's about to get folded. Hold. Okay, breaks to the upside. Maybe actually the push we're looking for. It's looking sus, right? No actual strong like push, no actual strong follow through. It's just like breaking previous candles highs, previous pivot highs, just barely. And then like snapping back. There we go. Nice little push up. That's what we were looking for. The fact that it creates this little wick like that, I don't know if it's a good sign or bad sign here. We'll hold here. Hold. 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 Right.
Target filled.
I'll take it. Easy peasy. Whoo! Whoo! Easy peasy. I was down at 1,700. I'm down 85. Stick to the plan, Panda. Stick to the plan. Goodness gracious. Was down 1,700. Now I'm down $85. So sick. So incredibly sick. Easy peasy. Can I actually be green today is a question. I don't have no clue. Why did I take out my profit there? Because of 240 SMA on the 500 tick or 5-minute chart. It's really the first time touching after breaking down, and we didn't quite get to fill the gap, but we might be making our way there. It's the first entry here. It's looking sus. Very confused. Are we going to go up? Are we going down? On the 5-minute chart, we're still within the range of the first 5-minute chart. This is the range of the first 5-minute chart. Sorry, first 5-minute candle on the 5-minute chart. This is the range. We're still in it. Right? We haven't closed above it yet still. Could be a little rocky still. I don't know. It's all a bit too confusing for me. It's a first entry off the 20 EMA. We might get a second entry off the 20 EMA here. Technically, this is two key areas, right? Breakout, retest.
2500 tick trap.
And 20 EMA. Breakout, retest, 20 EMA. Does push up. The second entry long, probably your best setup here. Second entry long, probably your best setup here. I'm not sure if we're going to get it, though. Market may not give it to us. And it does. All right, I'll try. Technically, it's a two key area, right? Breakout, retest. And it makes a lower high even better for us. Let's see if we can make some bamboo here.
2500 tick trap.
That's not good, right? The moment it triggers and it starts to like reverse a little bit, that's usually a bad sign. The moment it triggers and starts to like get knocked back down is usually a bad sign. Usually a bad sign. Usually. I'm thinking the previous week's close, easy target. But if we have shenanigans, like if we reverse here, I'm out.
Target filled.
I'm out on the first reversal. I hate that. If it hits like a certain target at the first reversal, I'm out. I hate that. And we have another runner. That's why I have the runner just in case this does fly, but I want to protect some profits there. What might happen, might take me out break even, then fly up, yeah. See, that's why I take it on the first reversal. After it hits a target, first reversal. On days like today, not much there for me. We're up 800 for a second. We're up 800 for a second. Jeez Louise. We're up 800 for a second there. More than $800 on that trade. Strong bear bar. Ending on its low. Takes you out perfectly. Break even. Is this strong enough for me to just go long here? Nah. Break even. It's such a strong push down, pandas. I don't know. I don't know what to make of this. I don't know what to make of this. We're still above the 20 MA. It just takes you out, break even. Takes your runners out, but I could keep going up here. First entry, obviously. Good second entry long, right? At the end, it's just a second entry long. Solid trade. Coming off two key areas, right? Which is breakout retest and the 20 MA.
2500 tick trap.
That's a second entry long, but I don't know. I just thought it was a little sus coming off this key area. Right, triple top at this point in the same area here. And the thing is, the price action is trading range, right? Like the price action looks very trading rangey. That's a bigger issue of why I feel like it's gonna just reverse. I mean, this could fly, sure, but the fact that the trading, like the price action has been very choppy. Even here it's very choppy. Like this is not pretty, right? This is not pretty either. And the fact that happens, like you're thinking resistances are going to be very strong. Supports and resistances are very reliable on choppy days, actually. High or low? I don't love it. It's okay. I don't love any of these trades. I'm up 200, pandas, whatever. I mean, I was down 1700. This is a win here, obviously. This is already a win for me. We are winning, pandas. We are winners. Up 200. I mean, not too shabby. What's my
2500
record
tick
right
trap.
now? My record is 4-3, and I'm up 200. Yeah, something weird happening here. I don't know. It just didn't look right. It didn't feel right. Lots of trading range price action. Just makes this ultra confusing. Big bear bar anyone's low. This could trick us, right? Remember, we're in trading range price action, so big bear bars don't necessarily mean follow through. Does not necessarily mean there will be follow through. Here it is showing follow through though. Right, triple top now. Good place for reversal. That's a strong reversal setup. Triple top here. Wow, big push to the downside. It makes a measured move essentially here. Right, on this bear breakout bar. It makes a measured move already. More than a measured move. Strong bear bar ending on its low on the higher time frames. 2500 tick chart. Look at strong bear bar ending on its low. So sick. Does it mean anything today? Is a question. Like I said, Pan, it's like I thought we were gonna be in a bigger trading range. Right, the reason why I was going like so it was like this, and then it started doing this, and I was trying to go long because I thought we were gonna make a bigger trading range. Is exactly what we end up doing. Just the timing, it's impossible to time that. This is a lot of bear bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bear bars in a row. We're taking a pullback sometime soon. But yeah, we end up just making a bigger trading range. That's why I said like the price action's trading range. So even though we had this like momentary breakout, like strong trend, we're at a strong resistance, and it just didn't feel right to go long on that second entry long here. In fact, I was looking for a trap, but the trap triggers above the 20 MA. Should maybe not want to take it. I don't know what's happening here now. Are we gonna continue this trading range? Like we failed to actually fill the gap on the regular trading hours. We missed it by 12 points. Actually, quite a lot. Like we weren't really close actually. Like close is like 1-2 points, but 12 points, very definitive. Not wanting to fill that gap. Very definitive to me that it didn't want to fill that gap. Lower high, but potentially bottom of a trading range. Second entry short here might be enticing, right? Because we're still not at the bottom trading range. We're getting there. First entry, strong bear bar, and now it's low. Gets folded. Maybe creates a second entry short for us. This could be an okay trade. It's like a B plus trade. Worthy of one contract if the risk is good and the signal bar is decent. I think it's worthy of one contract here. Give me a good signal. That's not a good signal bar. This is your signal bar right now. That's your risk. Not worth it. It's not even coming off of resistance actually here. It's not really coming off the 20 MA, which is what you want. Now it's a bad signal bar. But the risk, okay, bad signal bar. Now we're actually at an area we might want to go short. And it looks a little bit bearish to me as well. The risk is not too big on this candle. Now that is a terrible signal bar. Can't really get worse than that. This candle's just getting folded. I should just bought it on the 5-minute chart. The 5 minutes just folding every candle. Jeez. It's just clearly trading range price action. Risk is small, but I don't know. I'll try whatever. It's a dumb trade. Most likely we'll reverse here. I want 10 points at least. It makes a 1-to-1. At least it makes a 1-to-1. The risk was so small, but whatever. Do I want to reverse it here? No, not really. It makes a 1-to-1, but I mean, I want at least 10 points. I didn't want to go long here either, just because it's so suspicious. Trap fails. Maybe I could try again here. I don't know. One more time. Doesn't actually trigger. It creates like a really strong, like bear by anyone's low. Doesn't really trigger. Doesn't really trigger my setup here. But if it does, I'll be ready for it. It doesn't actually trigger my setup. I tried to time it, but I couldn't time it. Might just be break even day today. It's fine. It's really okay if it break even day today. Yeah, I mean, I went short. I actually did trigger that time, and now I'm trying to go short. Basically for a failed trap, right? Trap fails, I'm trying to go opposite, but it's just going to take me out now. So sick. It's all good. I do not care. The risk is so small, it's fine, but jeez. Risk goes in 10 points, but that's diabolical, right? The trap fails, this style's going to keep going down. Now we got an L4 setup. Do I like the L4 setup? Do I even like this L4 setup? When will I just admit that I have to go long? When will I admit it? When will I admit I just need to go long here? One more time. Let's try. For the L4. L4 setup. One time, pandas. Can we get it? And that's when we abandon the short trade. 5 minutes, strong bear bar is low. Some more room to get to the bottom trading range. Doesn't quite get there. That's why I thought we had a little more room to get down, especially with the force of it going down. But it gets folded. And most likely we will now fill the gap. I may just have to go long anywhere. If it's a strong bull bar, I'm going to go long. $24. I want to pull back, but I don't know if I can wait for it. Pullback will be the best case scenario here. Alright, I'm just going long. Whatever. Just gonna go long. Wide stop. Something's different. Something happened. Now we get the pullback. I'll go long again if we break the high. Previous candle's high. We made a higher low here, which is the reason why I think we're gonna go higher. We made a higher low here. We're still in the trading range, but the higher low makes me feel like this is the time we're gonna fill that gap on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, definitely. Hold. He's having a hard time breaking to the upside. I could come up break even at any point in time, I guess. I mean, if it's a very strong push down, I'm done. I mean, we're just bouncing on top of the trading range then. We're still in the trading range. The strong bear bar. Do I want to hold? Another strong bear bar. Any odds? Bounce up to 20 EMA here, maybe. One more scale in, and then we'll call it. We'll just take the hit if it doesn't bounce here. Actually bounce here. It needs to bounce here. If it doesn't bounce here, then we're done. I'm going to just take the hit. If it doesn't bounce here, I'll just take the hit. It is what it is. Alright, it is what it is. My second entry long might take me out the second entry long setup. Hold. Don't care if I lose, don't care if I win type situation.
Target filled.
Okay. That's enough diddle-daddling. I don't know what's happening here. It's enough diddle-daddling here. This can blast off. You can do whatever it wants at this point. This is enough diddle-daddling. I mean, no follow-through, I guess, on the strong bear bar. Does bounce off the 20-minute perfectly. I guess I could have held. I just thought we might create the second entry short here. That'd be a better entry. But, yeah, it looks like it's going to go without me. It's all good. I mean, enough diddle-daddle. I mean, that was a lot of diddle-daddle. A lot of diddle-daddle. You know what I mean, pandas? And we're still within the trading range, which makes it even worse. 5 minute, the 240 SMA, perhaps acting like resistance here. I don't want to get married to the premise we're going to fill the gap either on the regular trading hours. Enough diddle-daddle here. The 5 minute. Sorry, the regular trading hours, right? There's a gap here. A weekly gap. We opened yesterday down here. So it created this huge gap of price. And we're like really close to it. So you're thinking you're going to fill this gap. It's a weekly gap as well. Those fill quite quickly, usually. Enough diddle-daddle. I'm fine skunking this. I don't know. It's kind of strange to me now. Big up, big down, big up, big down. You know what I mean? Not that it can't go up. It's just the fact the way it's going to go up might have deep pullbacks that I can't handle. Usually you should trade small. Like, I should jump to M and Q and just trade. Maybe I'll jump on M and Q here. This is an M and Q day for sure. So maybe I should just do M and Q. Let's try. V1, thoughts and prayers. Oh, that's an MNQ. Okay, we are going up now. Do I just buy anywhere, everywhere type situation? Wait for a pullback at least? No pullbacks given? No pullbacks given here? Missed it by like a tick. I hate when targets missed by a tick and reverses. I hate that. No, I'm just gonna get out. It can reverse here, like severely reverse here. If it does get up to the gap though, essentially. But can severely reverse here now that gap is filled. Actually, it's not filled. It missed it by a tick. I missed it by half, 2 ticks, half a point. Missed it by absolutely half a point here.
2500 tick trap.
I've been bamboozled in situations like this many times, many times over. I'm gonna let it play out. I don't want anything to do with this. The fact that you miss something by half a point, like a super major key area, it's so sick. It just shows that the limit orders are just piling up here, like insanely piled up. Second inch long. Big push down. Just so sick. Literally missed that target by by 2 ticks and missed it by 2 single ticks. This is why I hate reversals after missing a target like that. I hate the reversal. I just get out. I just gotta break even. I don't want to deal with it. I don't want to deal with this nonsense right now that we're seeing right now. It's such complete nonsense. It's actually complete trash nonsense. I mean, if we reverse him, I'm taking a reversal. Whatever, 4 points, 4 contracts. I mean, it showed it want to reverse. We reversed, and I'll take the reversal. Jeez Louise. Like, so many people trying to go long to fill that gap. It's just not going to happen. Maybe not on a day like today. Maybe it will happen here. Whatever. If it does, it does. Clearly above the 20 MA. Can't take this short anymore. Trap does trigger above the 20 MA, so I can't take that. Decent push to the downside here. Already making new low. So sick, right? If you went long here, you got stopped out. So incredibly sick, this price action. Right. The reason why I didn't want to take that trap is above the 20 MA, so I don't take it on the wrong side of 20 MA. It does end up giving you at least a scalp, though. At least a scalp. Probably full-blown reversal here, in my opinion. Three bear bars with follow through. So sick. I've been tricked too many times trying to getting married to the premise. We're going to fill the gap, especially if we miss it by 2 ticks. 50 cents on a $23,000 product. You missed the price target by 50 cents. Just think about how insane that has to be. Just think about how insane how much manipulation you need to have for that to happen. It's just insane. It's absolutely insane. I'm in the short camp now. Let's see. Bouncing off the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart. I don't know. Maybe it's pushing up. I'll tell you what. If we break this high, I'll go long. Because we're no longer making lower highs, lower lows. Strong bull bar ending on its high.
5-minute trap.
In this trade. I'll be pretty surprised if we don't fill this gap now. I'll be very surprised, but it can happen. Pretty surprised, but it can absolutely happen. I was trying to get filled here, but that's silly. That's actually pretty silly. I feel like we're gonna break through the gap. Forget the gap. I'm gonna feel like we're gonna break through the gap now because how silly this is. How much is this reloading here just to break out now? Look at how difficult it is to fill this gap. 23,472. $23,472.75. The gap is right here. And it can't reach it. It's like right here, but it can't reach it. How silly is that? How dumb is this? How absolutely ridiculous is it that it can't fill this gap? At this point, I'll take any reversal. I don't care if it fills a gap. I'm going to just take any reversal after the gap is filled. I'll take whatever profits I can. I'm going to let this just... Any reversal after the gap fill, I'm going to just get out. For the hope of like... Because of the shenanigans here, this is going to blast off. For the hope of the shenanigans here, because it just did something so stupid just to fill this gap, I'm going to hope like all the bears who are just trying to short this right here are going to get crushed when this just flies to the upside. Like, for the sake of that, for the sake of all the bears who just wouldn't let the gap fill, now the gap is filled, I'm going to let this fly and see if they can get crushed. If not, you know, we just come out. What is that? Yeah, for the bears who just like are trying to short this like crazy right at that gap fill, I want them to get absolutely demolished here. And I'll just take on the first reversal after this. After the gap fill. Because I'm thinking now the bears are just going to get demolished. They're going to get eaten up here because so many bears are short and now it's kind of breaking out now. We'll take it here. I'll take whatever. I'll come out break even, whatever. Let's see how high we can fly. How high can we fly? How high can we fly? Or maybe the bears are just too strong. I want them to get squeezed. I want them to get squeezed, pandas. You don't know how badly I want them to get just squeezed. Second entry long. It's not squeezing as much as I want them to. It's kind of doing nothing right now, actually. It's like just trickling. Now I feel like it's not going to break out. Like it should have broken out already. I mean, let's come out break even, whatever, it doesn't matter. Give me like nice strong bull bars. I want the bears to get squeezed. Because I know that there was a bunch of bears here trying to go short. Now it's getting above their, like, you know, where they went short. And hopefully this will cause some sort of, you know, feedback loop where the bears are trying to close their positions and the bulls are trying to enter in, and it's just like it's gonna just crush them. That's what I'm just thinking. I'm doing a swing trade here now. Absolute swing trade here. I just want them to get crushed here. Just absolutely squeezed to death. I know there were so many bears here trying to like distribute, but now that we're breaking above it, hopefully they just get squeezed to death. Or maybe I get stopped out here, who knows. We're just moving at every pivot. New pivot low. Okay. Strong bull bars on the 2500 tick chart. You thought they'll be always in long, but apparently not. Maybe a chance to really push up here. Most likely not, because trading range price action. But, you know, I'm going to just protect my bamboo here at the previous pivot low here. And see what happens. I'm not losing that much here on this trade. I'm going to try to manage it very, like, pretty conservatively. Still green today. Oh, good. All right, we're green. I mean, we're green, whatever. Like, green is green, you know what I mean? Green, verde es verde, you know what I mean? For my Spanish-speaking pandas, verde es verde. Whoo! It took a lot longer for the squeeze to happen, but it may happen now. I don't know. Or it might be reverse. Who knows? The fact that we're above this line makes it feel like any long after this, the bears are feeling the pressure. Right? Like, if we went short here, and then this comes down like this, the bears are happy to come out break even now. Right? The fact that, you know, it basically came out back at break even for them, even though the trade was going against them. High or low? Coming off the 20 MA. Maybe. Always long a 5-minute chart. Potential here. Two strong bull bars ending on their highs. But trading range price action, so I'm not banking on much here. Second entry long, I'm probably interested, but is it going to happen is a question. I doubt we'll get the second entry long here. I doubt it. I really doubt it. Yeah. Maybe a new high. This happens to take me out break even right here on this pivot low. All good. The market does what it does. Sometimes that's what it does. You know what I mean? Big pop up. Always in long on the 5-minute chart now. You can just feel the bears just getting squeezed to a pulp right now as this just grinds to the upside. And it's going to be eventually an exhaustive move that's just going to blast off. Because that's where all the bears capitulate. And they're like, all right. That's enough blood for the bears. Basically double bottomed off of this resistance. Now acting as support. Maybe I could just gone long here. I don't know. What do I do? Just go long. Anywhere, everywhere type situation. Strong bull bars on the 500 tick chart. Typically terrible setup. Pullback. Okay, small pullback. High or low? Why not? I'm still waiting for my big exhaustive move where we can see all the bears capitulate. I'm still waiting for it. It hasn't happened yet. Still waiting for the big all right. It's a pullback. Deeper pullback than you'd like for a bull. Gap filled. Maybe second entry long gonna form here.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! That's my best Michael Jackson impersonation. How do you like it? Goodness gracious, pandas. Like I said, the Bulls or the Bears are just going to get squeezed to a pulp. Because you saw them trying to distribute here insanely a lot. And now when they realize that the market's not stopping, they had to capitulate, which you can see on this 5-minute candle capitulation here, in my opinion. Gap fill. I mean, anything else? There's a gap up here as well. Interesting. All right. Gap here above, gap here below. We're just in the land of the gaps. I'll take it, pandas. I'll take it. I'm up 684. I mean, that's not too shabby. Not too shabby if I say so myself. Pandas. Not too shabs. All right. The big giveaway was the 5-minute. Especially when I try to go short here to get back to the bottom trend range. It did not get there, and I realized very quickly something's up. All right, big bear bar anyone's low. No follow through to the bottom of the trading range. We're making higher highs and higher lows actually here. And or higher lows here. And a higher high. That was a giveaway to kind of tell us, like, even though we're in trading range, we had the potential to break to the upside. Which is what we're doing. We're just flying, pandas. No stopping this. No stopping us right now. It's coming off our channel. Bears are still eating it. Bears are still eating it. Yikes. You think the Bears are trying to, like, scale in, go short here now. That's what you think they're going to try to do. Okay. Second entry long. Sorta. Going for 20 May. You think the Bears are going to try to reverse it here as well? Will they succeed is a question. I think it's a good reversal spot. I may try. It is a strong breakout. But we hit this resistance and we have trading range price action. If the stars align, how about that? Clear push beneath the 20 MA. Fails like an entry long.
$2,500 tick trap.
Okay, bounce off the 20 MA. Good signal bar. Hard to like. Yeah, I mean, this seemed obvious it was going to go up here. A little bit obvious at this point. Something's changed. I mean, the nature of this market's changed. I mean, we're trending now. I don't like it, but I will try a breakout here. I'll try one contract trade. Potential of like just another burst to the upside. It still doesn't seem like it should be the case today, though, to be honest. It'll be a scalp. Just a quick scalp. Whatever. We'll take the hit. It's not even a hit. We'll just come out break even. I didn't love it. I'll tell you what. I mean, if you're a bear right now, you are hurting right now. You are absolutely hurting. If you're a bear right now, you are absolutely hurting. You're getting like demolished at this moment. Hmm. I would have been interested in that, but we already made a new high. Clearly above the 20 MA. Still pretty much in breakout mode, but starting to turn to a channel. I would have considered going long here. Would have. This is wild. I'm trying to capture the channel here. Always in long, 5-minute chart. Nothing stopping the bulls from just going always in long right now. It's so sick. I love it. The bulls are literally like, we don't care. We're just going to keep going long. We simply don't care. Right? The 5-minute chart, you can see the moment this bar closed, the bull said, we don't care. We're just going to go long. Right when the bar closes. We don't care. Right when the bar closes, we're just going to go long. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 bull bars in a row. If anything, if it does reverse a little bit, we'll come out break even. Worst case scenario for them. That's what they're thinking. Shall we think the same, pandas? Shall we simply think the same as them? Is the question. Is the question. quite choppy now. I don't know. Second entry long for me. Let's see. All right, deep pullback. I'm thinking I can scale in here, but maybe not. Maybe get crushed here. I think I can scale in, but I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe get crushed. We'll see. Fail second entry long, setting itself up beautifully though. I'll tell you that much. I'm just thinking the Bulls feel confident enough that they can come out break even. I'm going to try to copy them. I'm going to try to copy the institutions here. Let's see if we can get it though. Try to copy the institutions. It may not work out as planned, but we'll try to copy them. We have a hard time breaking. I mean, if we create a fail second entry long here, it's a different story. May just go short. Coming off the previous day's high like that. Could be the death. Could be a big reversal here. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Could be a big reversal here. Fail second entry long.
$2,500 tick trap.
Unfortunate. Lost like, what, 600 on that trade. Could be a big reversal here. Doesn't look like it is now. The fact that it's doing this, if it fails, I don't know. Maybe no. I mean, inside pattern here. It's a little confusing to me. You know what? Let's try. I'm gonna try. Could be a good trade here, actually. Or I should have kept copying the Bulls and come out break even eventually on this trade. Gosh darn it. Now I'm certain this is gonna break up to the upside. Gives me slippage. I should have just copied the Bulls. I should have copied the institutions. I messed up, pandas. I should have copied the institutions. Now they came out break even in their trade, right? That's where my break even would have been. I don't know. I'll try to go short here last time. Second just short. Now that the break even is done on that trade, this might be an okay trade. You know, failed second entry long at the previous, or now it's a second entry short, at the previous day's high on the trading range day. Let's see. Could be a nice push down. In fact, I will... I mean, if it blasts to the upside, there's not much I can do. The 5-minute chart, actually, it's not really showing signs of reversal here. It's showing just a pause and possibly higher movement. It's not really showing reversal in the 5-minute chart. Maybe I should have stuck to my guns here. It's not really showing any reversal sign on the 5-minute chart, which is concerning me to go short here. The 5-minute is actually looking pretty bullish still. Yeah. Last trade. Last trade stream. Let's try. If it doesn't work, it don't work. Oh well, Z's. The moment you enter the trade, you already know if it's going to work or not, right? The moment you enter the trade, you kind of already know, like, that's a bad trade. Or, that's a good trade. You already know the moment you enter the trade. I already know this is a bad trade. Get some follow through would be great. I will reverse it though if it does pop up. Seeing how the 5-minute is still very bullish. Yeah, I will reverse it here. I will try. And then get crushed every single way possible. Get whiplashed like crazy. I will get whiplashed like crazy here, looks like. It's all good. I had my premise. I had my reasons. I felt like the 5-minute felt very bullish still. And we obviously failed the second entry short here. So we get a push up with trend. The market's just being absolutely diabolical now. So just not much I can do here. I mean, how much am I going to hold? Am I going to hold it all the way down here? Yuck. I don't know if I want to hold. Oof. It's big pain here now. It actually breaks to the upside of the OI pattern. And now it gets crushed. It does end up pushing down, but only after it stops out like multiple setups. Right? Stops out the fail second entry long. It stops out the second entry short as well. I mean, pandas, there's not much I can do about it. We had a good run early on, but the market ended up being diabolical towards the end here, and we're gonna pay the price for it. It's all good though. It is all good. I mean, I saw the OI pattern on the 5-minute chart.
2,500 tick
I
trap.
said, let's try OI pattern, 5-minute chart. As good as any other pattern at this point when it looked this bullish. I mean, it looked extremely bullish to me, so I gotta try. You gotta try when you see it. And I'm gonna go for my 1-to-1 here, regardless what happens. Yeah, I got crushed. All right. All right, Pandas. That's it. I'm done for today. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Have an amazing rest of your day. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope to see you guys there. As always, have a drink of us. Bye.